Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy XRP on Binance app. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to buy XRP on Binance app. And then you can see right here the different options. But we are focusing on the first option. Just click on this one. Now we can see right here the step-by-step process. The first thing that you want to do is to create a free account on Binance. After that, choose how you want to buy XRP asset. And then check the payment details and fees. After that, store or use your XRP in Binance. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. Try it out. If you have question or suggestion regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe